Welcome back, everybody. So earlier today I posted an Instant Pot Menudo recipe, and in that recipe I used a homemade Menudo spice mix. So a lot of you asked for the recipe that I used, and I'm going to show you what I did. The only difference is that I'm going to exclude salt because I realized people have to add salt to taste anyways when they're making Menudo, so excluding the salt is just fine. I'll leave the salt to taste to you, but for the most part, this is what I do. So here I have 8 tablespoons of chili powder. I will leave a link to the chili powder and the spices, the brands that I'm using, in the description below. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of granulated onion powder. Oops, that kind of got stuck. And 2 tablespoons of Mexican oregano. This is dried oregano. And that is it. Now, the ratios of these spices, they're definitely up to you. You can play around with the ratios to suit your taste buds. But this is pretty much what I use for my homemade Menudo spice mix. And when I make the Menudo, for this entire spice mix, it's probably good for about 5 to 6 pounds of honeycomb tripe is what I usually use. And here you go. Here is the Menudo mix. So, like I said earlier, a lot of the ratios of the ingredients, you can play around with it to suit your taste. I know some people do not like ground cumin, and you may want more Mexican oregano in this. So the ratios are up to you, and I will say not all chili powders are the same. The 2 chili powders that I use is either McCormick or Fiesta's Bollner's Fiesta brand. Actually, I do like Bollner's when I can find it or when I have it in bulk. But today I think I used McCormick because that's what I have in a large, a large container of. But I will link some, the spices, like I said, I'll link what I used if you guys just want to know exactly what I use or what I prefer. I'll do that in the description below. But for the most part, this is fairly easy to make, and it's a good alternative if you cannot find store-bought Menudo mix, or you just want to control the ratios of some of the flavors and spices in it. So anyways, I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.